Would you like to know what a cheap alternative is for a GluBot? If so, stay right there and I shall tell you my idea in a second. How are we getting on then? We're having a good day? Right, so I was just doing some work here, doing a bit of gluing up for some, well, not that I can tell you what I was doing for a company, but I was doing some bits and pieces and a thought popped into my head about a GluBot. Right, now we've all seen them. If you haven't, where have you been living? You've been living underneath a rock. GluBots are awesome. I quite like the look of them, but they run for about £30 in the UK, which is, I'm not spending £30 on a bottle for anything. Like, I don't even want to spend 30 quid on a Yeti mug, let alone a GluBot, right? So, what's the alternative? There is a super cheap alternative. Do you know what it is? It is a washing up bottle. Right now, I like these ones with this little bit on the head here. Right now, what this does is I can sit it on the lip there and just run it all the way up. And then you just give it a pop, and my favourite thing to sit it in is an old tape holder. Look, perfect, see? Nice and easy. Right, I'll finish popping this one together, got some nails in it, and then we'll have a quick chat. But I'm a big fan of anything, well, anybody that's been watching the channel for a while, you know, I love being frugal. I'm not cheap, just like to save money. So, yeah, this is where I'm at, right? And these are awesome because they've got nice big, wide, I mean not like massive, but they're wide enough, and I top mine up out of like a 5 litre or a gallon container of 502. And I think that's perfect, really. I don't really see the need for having like a GluBot. I mean, if you've got one, that's awesome, but not everybody's got not everybody's got £30 to spend on one, have they? So yeah, this is a W5 bottle from Lidl's, right? And it's a 500ml one. It's got special, look, nice and special, the Natural Workshop sticker on, eh? But yeah, so that's my little hint for today, is if you want a GluBot, don't buy one. Go and pick yourself up a little W5 bottle, or a Fairy Liquid bottle, anything like that. But my particular one, like I said, I like the little lid like that. And that little ridge here makes life so much easier when we're doing so. Something else that's worth noting about these bottles, and I quite like it as well because I like things being easy, if at all possible, is here, look. So obviously when it gets glued up, you just scratch it off, job's good. And if it gets really chocker in there, it just pops off. Look, nice and easy, nice and easy. And if you really want to be chucking loads of glue out, look, you can see you've got a massive nozzle on the end there. So yeah, easy, right? Work smart, but yeah. Just my 2 cents, right? Let me know down below what you think. Do you have a little hint and tip for gluing up? Do you have any other little hints and tips? Is there anything that you'd like me to mention? Anything that you see me do on any of the videos that you would like me to show you why I do it? Please let me know below. You have a great day, you take it easy, and I shall catch you on the next one.